we asked the government to give us the details. There should be a thorough discussion, as if a member of parliament who is elected representative of more than 30 lakh people is not safe, how can our common people feel safe when the chief minister says we have got down crime rate and all? But this type of political violence is very unheard of in Assam, and this has started under the rule of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, which we condemn, and we also demand that for democracy, to protect the democracy, to protect the right of individuals to differ with the government should give adequate security to all people who want to protest even against the misrule of government. And this unfortunate incident has been, yesterday Chief Minister made a statement, but he not regretted the incident. He has not paid any word of sorrow for the incident. Instead, he said that these areas belong to Rakibul Hussain. And being a Home Minister and Chief Minister, how he can distinguish and question about the territorial integrity of the state, because these all are part of Nagaon district, and the Chief Minister is responsible for law and order and general development. But such utterances, very light utterances in the assembly, do not give any good image about the Chief Minister, about ruling of the rule of law in our state. So we are demanding discussion about this by adjournment of the regular business of the House today.
But the Speaker has rejected this.
So now we'll again try to raise it.